Hello, my name is Valmai. I live in Penllygare, and I like to think that perhaps over the last big number of years I've been able to do something for the people in the local community so that their voices can be heard. I've been involved with older people on a very detailed relationship since about 1981, when we formed the Luncheon Club in Pontarddulais under the Old Age Concern. I've always been interested in older people, and particularly when I trained as a health visitor, it took me into the homes and lives of people, which was a great privilege. But it also enabled me to see the problems that older people faced and were unable to overcome on their own. So that has been not just my passion, but it's been my hobby, and it's been my life probably for the last 40 years. We had a retired district nurse that I'd known for a number of years, who unwittingly was taken in by a man, well-spoken, with a clean white van, who'd come to offer to do some jobs in the garden, which he did, and she paid him, and he was back the following week to say that there was work needing to be done on the roof of her house, and she ended up paying him several £100s. The Luncheon Club has far more benefits than just a meal on a plate, because they're able to socialise, they make new friends, they pick up on old friendships, they share confidences, and often you find that they will then, even if they can't meet each other, they will become telephone friends as well, which helps to reduce the isolation, which, as we all know, helps to contribute towards ill health and often earlier death, because people get so depressed when they're isolated. And it's surprising, you go round and you see them enjoying their dinner, and that's when the problems come out, which we are often able to solve for them. And if we can't solve it, then we know somebody who can. It's a very pleasant part of my week, and I look forward to it every Wednesday. It's a very happy occasion for many reasons, not just the fact that we enjoy a good meal, and who doesn't? It's a privilege to help older people, because often when they don't know who to turn to, they like to know there's someone that they can trust. And my involvement with Age Cymru has really been the key that opened the door. It resulted in having an article in the Evening Post and on the local television, which enabled the message to get further. And it's quite surprising, you find that if local people find that you're in the local paper, the message spreads even further. So I am hoping that we've really nailed the issue of scams in this area, particularly relating to our older residents.